Now, AMC stock had a very rough day today. It's no surprise that it closed in the red. And you know what? I'm okay saying that AMC pulled back today. I'm okay saying that AMC had a bad day. Why? Because I know why I hold this stock. Now, it was very evident if you were in anybody's stream this morning. Matt Kors, the Masked Investor, my live stream, Matt Perry was on this morning, Galactic Finance. All of you guys do an excellent job, absolutely. But I know you noticed the bots or the shills or the people in there that were like, AMC is done, sell the stock right now. And it seems like I don't even know if they're real people anymore, right? But whenever AMC's having a little bit of a tough day, if it's pulling back, either they get confident or literally the hedge funds send them out. Whatever the deal is with us seeing these people, it was in full effect today. So guys, let's talk a little bit about what the media is saying, the story that they're trying to paint for everybody that doesn't know what's going on with AMC, and of course, why we hold the stock. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, like I mentioned before, if you were in any live stream talking about AMC today, you definitely saw all of the bots or shills or sellers, whatever you want to call them, just really ripping on AMC. Like, guys, we know it's in the red right now. You don't have to remind us. We can see colors. We can see the colors on the chart, and we can see the arrows on the chart, right? But let's talk a little bit about this news article here, because there's some sort of a disconnect between the smart guys out there that write news articles and the smart guys out there that manage funds and so on, and what's actually happening in real life. So a quote right here: "The momentum is fading and the enthusiasm is fading," said Michael O'Rourke, chief marketing strategist at Jones Trading in Stamford, Connecticut. "They've been pushed well beyond the fundamentals, the appropriate fundamental or valuation levels, so we're starting to see the air come out." Oh, buddy. Yes, people have made money, but I also think there's a lot of retail investors that have lost a lot of money being involved in those names. "The most recent rally has run its course. Now, of course, I cannot predict the future, but I do think the longer this goes on, the idea becomes less compelling." Let's talk about that. Dude, the idea never becomes less compelling. I'll tell you that right now. The idea that we are out here charging the hedge funds obscene amounts of money for the short positions that they've took out, that idea never becomes less compelling. If it does, maybe you're overexposed. If it does, maybe you don't understand what's happening here. But I don't think that this guy understands. Now, there may be some people, and he might be right if this is the case, there may be some people who are strictly trying to ride the hype. There's strictly some people out there who are trying to ride the retail rush. That's not why you buy AMC. Okay, so let's talk about a couple reasons why you might be buying AMC right now. And I'm not talking because you want to go out and buy a Lamborghini or because you want to get debt free. Those are all great reasons on what you're going to be doing with the money post-squeeze. Yes. So reason number one why you might be buying AMC right now is that somebody told you to buy it. Right? Plain and simple. You might be newer to this whole thing. You may have heard somebody who heard somebody who heard somebody talking about AMC stock potentially going to $100,000. Now, although decent reason to get in, please either watch some more of my videos, join a live stream, ask some questions, whatever it is, but please understand that there is so much more to it than that. All right? If you're one of those people, you may have panicked today. All right, now another reason you might be buying AMC is because you're a day trader or you're focused on the volatility and taking advantage of the retail hype. Now, I believe that this is what a lot of hedge funds, what a lot of these guys like this Michael guy or whatever his name was right now, think that the retail investors are doing, okay? That's not what the apes are doing, right? That's not what these people who have been in since January are doing. We are not riding the retail hype. Now, if that's what you're doing, I get it, but you're going to be one of the first to go. You're going to jump out. You're going to jump out too early. So just get out now. You might not be too afraid on days like today, but you're going to hinder the squeeze. So if that's you, sell the positions, give them to somebody like me, give them to somebody else who wants to see the squeeze happen. Now the third, and there might be variants of each and every one of these, but the third type of person holding AMC, and I want to know right now in the comments below if you are a number 3, is for a short squeeze. If you've watched any of the videos that I've done, I pretty much explain what it is in every single one. The hedge funds shorted the stock. We control the supply. We decide when to sell it back to the hedge funds. Now, typically, people aren't going to go out there and offer obscene amounts of money for a stock that's not worth it, right? But that's not the case for AMC. The short funds are required to cover the position, no matter what the price. It does not matter. It does not matter how detached from fundamentals it is. It does not matter how stupid it sounds. It does not matter how high that price is. That's why we're here. It's plain and simple. I don't want to see any retail investors lose money. Day traders, you probably get burnt. All right, you'll probably get burnt when the squeeze happens. So just understand that now. But I still don't want to see you get burnt, right? Here's the deal. I do not care if the hedge funds lose it all. I do not care if the banks lose it all. I do not care if insurance companies lose it all. These lenders lose it all. I do not care about them. I care about me, my portfolio, and I do want to see you make very good decisions. And I believe that you guys should all think the exact same way. All right, we're not taking money from individual investors at this point. We are here. We are buying AMC to watch the short squeeze take place. Now, why do days like today not scare me? Why can I be sitting on a bloodbath and watching AMC lose 15%, not sweat it, not worry about it? Couple reasons. All right, I'll give you 2. 1, I'm not all in on AMC. I can go out and I can eat tonight, right? I can pay my bills if I need to pay my bills. My electric bill's going to be paid this month. I am not overexposed. So, therefore, I am willing to invest. I'm willing to risk what is in my portfolio. If you're not in the same situation, and there's no shame in saying this, if you feel like you're overexposed and you cannot sleep at night because of days like today, maybe it's time to scale back the position a little bit and actually hold the stock that you can be willing to hold. Buy the amount of shares that you are willing to hold, because that's the whole thing. If you fold at 50, then maybe the hedge funds bought your shares. If you fold at 100, maybe the hedge funds bought your shares. Buy what you are willing to hold at this point if you're in it for the short squeeze. And also, I know why I'm here. I know that the intraday price swings do not matter. The intra-week price swings do not matter. I am simply here to watch the hedge funds cover these shares. Plain and simple, guys. I did not plan on selling today, and therefore it doesn't matter how far the price drops. I do not plan on selling today. I do not plan on selling tomorrow. Now, if it comes out that hedge funds are covering positions tomorrow and we do rocket higher, that might be the day, right? But I have no plans on selling because of a dip, because of a pullback, so on and so forth. I plan on charging the hedge funds obscene amounts of money per share to buy my shares back. Now, I know there were a lot of people that were legitimately scared out there today. I know that there were a lot of nervous people out there today, and it's okay to watch that. But here's 2 things you need to remember before we end the video. 1, the hedge funds have not covered their short shares. And 2, they are absolutely required to cover those short shares. So if we wait until we do, the squeeze will happen and we will see the prices. We're going to see the prices as long as we can hold out. I can't say that you're going to see the prices you want to see because I don't know what you want to see, for 1. And 2, it's all going to depend on how long we can hold out and not be tempted to give those shares back to the hedge funds. So guys, we are here every single day. See that subscribe button right there? If it's red, I don't know why. Click it, subscribe to the channel, become a bro. We are here every single day, like I just said, and we're growing our portfolios together. And look, also down in the comments below, if you're a number 3, if you're not afraid, if you're holding AMC, if you've got those diamond hands, let us know that down there too. And if you want to drop your Twitter handle or anything like that, guys, we are growing. We're not only growing our portfolios, we are growing this community together. And this is going to far outlast anything that is going on here. So just let's stay connected, guys. Drop it, whatever you guys want. I have no problem shouting anybody else out, telling you guys to go watch as much content as you can, develop and form your own opinions, and move forward in confidence, knowing that you are doing what is best for you. Now, it wouldn't be me if I wasn't telling you to use that link in the description below for Webull. $5 is all you have to deposit in July, and you're going to get 2 free stocks for doing so. It's not the same $100 that you normally have to deposit, so if you want to use the link down there and deposit $5, you're going to get 2 free stocks. One's at least $3, one's at least $11, and those are the ones you're probably, or one's at least $8, $3 and $8, total of $11. Those are probably the ones you're going to get, but I mean, it can go all the way up to, I think, like $2,300 or something like that. So make sure to use that link. Click on all of the links down there. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, ClayBro883 is the Twitter handle there. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.